Hi, I'm Peggy Friesen. I write devotions for all God's creatures. My husband Mike and I run what we call a forever retirement home for senior golden retrievers in the shelter here. God really put it on my heart that it wasn't about finding a dog that was good for us. It was about what could we do for dogs. You know, for us, these dogs need us, and it's an honor to be able to take care of them. You know, I find that when it's watching animals or interacting with them, that they just draw me closer to God.